Hey folks, a little windy across the valley. We still have that wind advisory for the coastal counties until 7 o'clock. Temperatures, though, all in the 80s with the exception of Rio Grande City. Still 92 degrees there. It is a very warm day across the area. Humidity starting to come back up. It's not super high yet, but it will be by tomorrow. Our forecast lows tonight, upper 60s and low 70s. So each night we're a little bit warmer than the night before, and that's something that'll continue for the next couple of days at least. And look at the highs tomorrow. 80 at the island, but 88 in Weslaco, McAllen about 89, 90 in Rio Grande City again tomorrow. So very warm temperatures again across the area with humidity up just a little bit. It'll feel pretty toasty out there. The normal high for this time of year is 86. Tomorrow will be above that, nowhere near the record. And then 83 on Thursday and Friday. We have a very weak front that's going to move in and cool temperatures off just a little, but also bring some clouds and perhaps even an isolated shower or two. Nothing on satellite today, but let's watch Future Track. It says tonight just patchy clouds sneak through. For the most part, tomorrow is another mostly sunny day and probably not quite as windy. We go forward now to Thursday. Now notice we start to get a little green showing up on the map. Not a lot, isolated showers, nothing widespread, but at least a few places could pick up a brief shower on Thursday. Upper levels of the atmosphere are still pretty dry, so anything that happens comes down here from the bottom of the atmosphere, and there's just not a possibility of anything big from that. So we're at about a 20% probability on Thursday. The chance lingers into Friday, which I think will be mainly dry, but some places will pick up an isolated shower. And then this weekend, the chance shows up again for both Saturday and for Sunday. These are the currents across the rest of the state. It is very warm. 89 in Abilene, 86 all the way up in the northwestern corner of the Panhandle in Dalhart. Odessa's 91. Again, Houston cooling off with the sea breeze, 77 there. It's on McAllen at 84. Satellite and radar together shows another pretty quiet day. Patchy high clouds moving across the Panhandle, West Texas, but that's about it so far. There's a front moving into the state as we speak. That front will be kind of laid out west-east across the state by tomorrow afternoon. We'll still be south of it, so our southerly wind flow will continue. That front kind of works its way slowly but surely down into South Texas by Thursday, and once it's here, it'll be just enough to maybe trigger those isolated showers. Nothing big. And the cool down, not significant because the front kind of stalls and then turns around and comes back as a warm front by Friday, but it's still in the neighborhood. So as long as that front is still nearby, the chance for isolated showers stays with us. Now by Saturday, another front shows up on the map. That works eastward. And again, more showers possible across Texas. And that goes for Sunday as well. I think finally by Monday, then we go back to a dry forecast. At the coast, south-southeasterly winds 10 to 20. The bay is choppy. UV's extreme, a small craft advisory in effect through this evening. A moderate risk of rip current seas about 4 to 6 feet. There were the two tides. So for tonight across the valley, clear and mild, a low 69, southeast winds. Then tomorrow back up to 88, mostly sunny, not quite as windy as today. Southeast winds at about 8 to 16. So we go 88, 83, 83. Nighttime lows staying in the upper 60s. Isolated showers possible Thursday and Friday. A slightly better chance Saturday into Sunday. I think we're looking at late Saturday into Sunday. Temperatures are still warm, and then next week we cool it off just a little bit. Low 80s and mid 60s for lows early next week. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.